The new iCUE software from Corsair supports the brand's entire ecosystem from peripherals to components, so you can control everything from a single application. Lighting, fan speeds, temperatures, and more are right at your fingertips with an intuitive, lightweight software that now features dynamic lighting integration with Far Cry 5 for an illuminated experience like no other. Retake control of your hardware with Corsair iCUE. You can click the link in the description for more info.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am putting together May's PC of the month, and as per your request, it's going to be a Ryzen 2 system, gaming PC, of course. I took a poll on Twitter. You guys should follow me there if you haven't yet, but you guys all really wanted to see a Ryzen 2 build, even though I did one not too long ago. So here you go, giving the people what they want. But it's going to be a pretty sweet system. You can see we've got a pretty much all-star lineup of hardware here, and I'm going to go down the parts fairly quickly so we can get right into the build. We've got some nice B-roll montage for you guys today, so very excited to get that underway. For starters, we have our chassis here, which is the Fractal Design Meshify C in white. It's tempered glass edition, of course, so none of that nasty acrylic or solid paneling, but I really like this case because, for one, we're going with a white and purple theme system today. This seemed like a great case for that, and since we're sticking high-end components in here, I wanted to have a lot of fresh airflow, and the Meshify C has just pure mesh at the front of it, so a lot of good intake coming out of this chassis. So happy to use that today. I'm just going to go down the line here in no particular order. We have the ASUS Prime X470 Pro motherboard, which is also beautiful and white. Just below that, you can see we have a white CPU cooler. This is actually the Deepcool Captain 240EX with RGB. So yes, it is a 240mm radiator AIO. We have a brand spanking new NVMe SSD from Samsung. That's their 970 EVO in a 256 gig variety. Maybe we'll do some testing with that in part 2. We shall see. And then up here, you can see we have the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X, the 8-core 16-thread CPU. That is, of course, 2nd gen Ryzen. Here we have a Fractal Design Silent Series R2 case fan with some nice white blades. We're actually going to be populating this into the system, into the chassis, replacing one of the existing fans. Below that, EVGA has provided us with one of their ICX units, the GTX 1080 Ti for the Win 3, which is one hell of a card. It's smoking fast, one of the fastest cards on the market right now, and it's actually got the white shroud on it, so that'll match perfectly with everything else. We have a white kit of Vengeance LED DDR4 3200 speed memory from Corsair. That is a 2x8 gigabyte kit, and it's fast, which Ryzen will very much appreciate. Over here, we have an EVGA 750 watt G3 power supply, 80 plus gold certified, modular, and all that jazz. Now, to give ourselves a little bit of accent lighting in this case, I've employed the Cable Mod Wide Beam RGB LED kit, which has a lot of different colors and functions on it. The LEDs are super bright, so it should do a nice job of illuminating all of our hardware here. And obviously, there aren't many purple components on the market right now without the help of LEDs, which is why I've also employed some of Cable Mod's Pro Series cables in this very nice, high-quality white, black, and purple sleeving that I customized myself on their configurator website. So if you guys want links to this or any of this stuff for that matter, you can find it in the description below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start building this 2nd gen Ryzen gaming PC. 3, 2, 1, build.